today I'm going to show you how to do a glitch effect in Photoshop. So first you have your image, you're going to name it whatever it is, that's your base image. You duplicate that image and you name that one color. So you basically make a new layer with the same image. Then you right click on the color layer. So I'm just checking that it's all lined up. And for the first layer, you go into hue and saturation, and you put the saturation all the way to -100. And then on the color layer, you right click that image. Yeah, I'm just checking. And you right click and you go into blending options. And you, on advanced blending, you remove the channel that says R. This basically creates this two color effect. So then using the arrow keys, I moved the color layer and it revealed the blue and the red, as you can see. And then to play a bit more with the glitch effect, I selected the Central C layer and I pressed Command, and then you can see what the issue is here though. If you can see on the left, there's a little bit of red on the background image. So this isn't always the best way to do it, and I show you a different way of doing it in this way. So I selected the entire strip of the image, and instead of using the command and then click, I just shifted it with my arrow keys. But again, you can still see that image. So then here, I decided to copy and then paste the select tool. So I did Command C and then Command V from the Central C layer. And then using my arrow keys, I clicked on layer 1 and then I just either went left or right. And then it kind of creates this sort of juxtaposed kind of jagged effect. But yeah, it kind of looks like a glitch. You can kind of play more with the different effects, but this is just a simple way of showing how you can do the two color glitch effect.